Guys, it's Gregor, and today we're going to be unboxing the Rode PodMic USB, my new microphone. So I'll be doing a few tests to see if this microphone is good or not. And if you've actually been looking to buy a Rode PodMic USB, hopefully this video can actually help you make your decision. First, a disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by Rode. I bought this with my own money. You can also find it on Amazon. And if you don't know which store in your country sells this microphone, you can always go to Rode's website and perhaps look at a store locator. We see that it is compatible with Apple devices that support USB-C. So I'm assuming iPhone 15 and 16 and up. So this microphone has both XLR and a USB-C connection, which is actually really great. It also works perfectly with Android devices. There's even an app for it on Android, so that should not be an issue. Opening this package, we see a few boxes inside and some quick start guides. The microphone, as I said before, comes with both XLR and USB-C options, as well as a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can actually monitor your own voice if you like. It also has a headphone volume control wheel, which feels really nice. There's also a 3/8 and a 5/8 mount that can fit on several arms and stands, which is actually very fantastic, so you don't have to fiddle around with, you know, the 3/8 or 5/8 adapters or vice versa. Do note that there are arms out there like the Elgato arms that are not really compatible, but if I'm correct, they should come with an adapter. The microphone itself feels very high quality. The PodMic also comes with a pop filter, or I should say a cover, that feels very soft and very premium. It is easy to place on the microphone and it doesn't feel brittle. So while handling the pop filter, it doesn't really feel like you can accidentally poke your finger through it, so don't worry about that. And last but not least, it also comes with a USB-C to USB-C connection cable. This does mean that if you want to connect this microphone to your PC via USB, you will need to have either a spare USB-C port on your PC, or if you don't have that, you need to buy a adapter cable or perhaps even a hub. And that's pretty much everything that comes with the microphone. As you can see, there's no small stands or arms or anything like that. So I also bought the Rode SC18 USB-C to USB-A cable, which cost me around 16 euros just for this cable. You can actually get these cables from generic brands for as cheap as 5 euros. But I thought, you know what, let's just go full Rode today. The cable itself is 1.5 meters long, and I kind of feel like I should have gone with a 3 meters version, but you know, it is what it is. So now we're actually going to head over to do some microphone tests to see how great it is straight out of the box without EQ. Then we're going to add EQ later, and of course run it through Voicemeeter, the program that I needed to use for my previous Rode microphone to make it actually sound good. This is the Rode PodMic without the pop filter and without EQ. This is a raw test. Popping poppers. This is the Rode PodMic with the pop filter and without EQ. This is a raw test. Popping poppers. This is the Rode PodMic without the pop filter and with my standard Voicemeeter setup. This is not a raw test. Popping poppers. This is the Rode PodMic with the pop filter and with my standard Voicemeeter setup. This is not a raw test. Popping poppers. This is the Rode PodMic without the pop filter and with Rode EQ tweaking. This is not a raw test. Popping poppers. This is the Rode PodMic with the pop filter and with Rode EQ tweaking. This is not a raw test. Popping poppers. Would you be okay with seeing more VTube content? Would you be okay with seeing more VTube content? Just Greg, signing out. Real love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Just Greg, signing out. Real love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Would you be okay with seeing more VTube content? Would you be okay with seeing more VTube content? Just Greg, signing out. Real love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Just Greg, signing out. Real love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Okay, so now it's time for some thoughts of mine. As you might have, suspected, I've been using the pod mic this entire video. And honestly, I really, really love it. I personally think it is a big upgrade from my previous microphone, which was the Rode NT USB microphone. It lasted me 8 years. It was great, but I really needed Voicemeeter to make it sound as good as I wanted. Personally, I think this microphone, the pod mic, was pretty much better than the previous microphone without any EQ at all. I use the Rode Central app. You can also use the Rode Unify app. There are different apps that they have. I think they have 3 apps for EQing and stuff like that. So it all works perfectly fine. The app is very easy to use. I plugged in a headset into the microphone itself so I can actually listen to the changes that are made in real time when using the app. So yeah, if I compare it with my previous microphone, it is honestly a lot better. If you use a Rode NT USB or even the USB Plus, or perhaps even a Blue Snowball, and you're looking for an upgrade, yeah, this is definitely a microphone that I would personally recommend because for me it works. What I would always suggest is, try out a microphone. If your country allows it, then you can always send it back if it's not for you. Again, if your country allows it, it takes up a lot less space because the Rode NT would be like this. So it would take up a lot more space. I can actually hide it pretty much out of sight and the sound quality is just as good. I think the only complaints I have, and this is specifically for Rode, why are there no stickers? Come on, man. Like, there's no stickers in the box? Are you serious? I love stickers. So honestly, Rode, if you're watching this, send me some stickers. Come on, dude. Like, honestly, I'm not asking for much. Like, I'm not asking for a microphone. I'm asking for some damn stickers, okay? So yeah, I really hope this video could help at least someone who's perhaps looking for a new microphone and perhaps had this as one of the contenders. And if not, then I guess I just hope this was a very interesting or perhaps even funny video. If you have some questions regarding this microphone, you can actually ask me in the comment section down below, and I'll try to answer as much as I can. I'm not an audiophile, so I'm not, very technical. But if you have some simple questions or something, I can try my best and help you out. Anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button. Feel free to share and subscribe. Just Greg signing out. Really love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.